Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, lane departure warning, power liftgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, security system, CD player, heated front seats, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, overhead console, brake assist. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.